Shikshayati, platform for eminent authors, engaging teachers, successful students. To know more, email. A coin is tossed thrice. What is the probability of getting 2 or more heads? If a coin is tossed 3 times, then we have following sample space. S is equal to HHH, HHT, HTH, HTT, THH, THT, TTH, TTT, where H indicates the occurrence of head and T is the occurrence of tail. 2 or more heads imply 2 or 3 heads. So if A and B denote the events of occurrence of 2 and 3 heads respectively, then we find that A is equal to HHT, HTH, THH and B is equal to HHH, that is more than 2. So probability of A is equal to N A by NS is equal to 3 by 8, because 3 is the number of possible occurrence, 8 is the number of possible occurrence and 3 is the probability for appearing 3 for a probability of A. And so probability of B, that is occurrence of 3 heads simultaneously, is equal to NB divided by NS, that is 1 by 8. As A and B are mutually exclusive, the probability of getting 2 or more heads is PAUB is equal to PA plus PB is equal to 3 by 8 plus 1 by 8 is equal to 4 by 8 is equal to half, or 0.50. The probability that an accountant's job applicant has a CWA degree is 0.75. That he is a CA is 0.35 and that he is both CWA and CA is 0.20. Out of 600 applicants, how many would be CWA or CA? Let the applicant is a CWA be denoted by B and that he is a CA be denoted by C. So probability of B, PB is equal to 0.75 and probability of C is equal to 0.35 and probability of B and C is 0.20 as given in the problem. The probability of an applicant is CWA or CA is given by probability of B union C, B and C is equal to probability of B plus probability of C minus probability of B and C is equal to 0.75 plus 0.35 minus 0.20. So that is 0.90. So the number of candidates who are either CWA or CA is 0.90 into 600 is equal to 540. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly write your comments. Click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video to get more details and free ebook. Email us.